Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be some sort of just no face situation. I am planning on repotting this cutting of my Philodendron Brasil right here that I've had propagating for a while now. I just like to just snip things and let them grow. Sometimes I give them to friends and families, sometimes I sell them, and sometimes I just repot them back into the same plant or into another plant to increase my my collection. But today I'm deciding to repot this beautiful, well, it's a few of them, multiple cuttings of my Philodendron Brasil. And I also want to show you guys how easy it is to fill out a pot that might be a little empty, a little sparse on top, but beautiful, and you want it to keep getting bushier and keep on trailing. So in this video, this is what I'm going to show you, so keep on watching. So welcome back. I just have a pair of shears. Make sure they're clean. These are good, so I'm not worried about that. So pretty much all of this, every single plant in here has come from the same mother plant. So as you can see, the one that's potted up in my terracotta pot, it's beautiful, and it obviously doesn't seem so long, and that's because I've cut it back. I've cut it back into what's inside of this pot and what's inside of this pot. But I want you guys to also keep in mind, I'm gonna add it along here. This plant came from maybe I think 3 or 4 single leaf cutting propagations. So this is what this plant looks like now, also with this piece right here. I went ahead and cut this piece back. It's pretty long. I noticed when I was repotting this plant, this branch right here, which is where I cut this piece from, it's looking a little dry and dehydrated, and I'm not sure if it has to do something with the roots, but I decided to cut back the good thick large portion of my plant to, 1, thicken out this plant, and 2, to save whatever's left of this really healthy branch. So I have gone ahead and cut this plant back into this one node, but I'm thinking of giving it one more snip to show you guys how easy it is to propagate this plant. I'm just going to stick it back in the water with this. So I have 1 node here, 2 nodes here, 3 nodes here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and cut right here, right under the node, just a little bit, like right here. And this leaf is going to be trash, so I'm just gonna snip it off. So now this plant, alongside with the other half of it, is going to go right back inside of the water. And this part of the plant, this branch, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut here because nothing will grow from there ever again. It will just dry out and do nothing. So I just gone ahead and cut it back. So I actually share my plant, let my plants share a home when I'm propagating them. If you're trying to do just like leaf propagations and you kind of want to increase the nutrient in your water, go ahead and stick your new cut off branches inside of a pot that's with rooted pothos, that's going to speed up your plant. And I see this is doing a little bit of browning right here, so I'm gonna cut it back to maybe right here. Don't just stick this back in the water. Let it callus for at least like 5 minutes on the side. So I'm gonna set this aside. So I have now my beautiful pot of Brazils, Philodendron Brasils, and I'm gonna find a spot anywhere. I think I'm gonna just keep it trailing in one direction too. So I have a Brazil rooting with a Zamioculca zamiofolia ZZ plant, and this ZZ plant definitely itself has rooted insanely. I'll show you guys the roots, but look at the roots. Nice healthy roots, really long roots. So this can go ahead and be potted. I also have a single leaf propagation that, as you can see, look at these roots. Can you see these roots? They look really nice. This can go ahead and go inside of my pot too. So I'm gonna just find any spot. I'm gonna stick my finger in there. You can use a pencil. But I think I've dug a deep enough space for this branch. Stick all of the roots inside. Oh my God. That's one done. I'm gonna get the big mama right here. I also like to do this because this gives my plant a head start in trailing. Instead of doing this one single leaf propagation like this one, I do multiples, so my plant has a you know, a heads up, a runners up, and it can start trailing faster because it's already leggy. I'm just gonna help this root up a little, keep it a little concise, all over the place right now. Oh, I don't need you doing all that, Mama. Hey, Nelly, hello there, Nelly. Bloop. And that's it. So these right here, all I have to do is give it a couple more minutes to just callus over. I mean, you know, let these callus over. I'm gonna stick them back inside of here, and let me show you guys this ZZ. It had to happen. I had to break off the root because the mouth was so narrow. But look at the rhizome. that's formed. And this just broke off while I was pulling this plant out of the pot, but damn, it's alright. Guess what? This is just gonna go back in here, and boop, now it's gonna grow its own rhizome. So this can actually go ahead and be potted in water. I mean, potted in soil. Look at this, guys. This is my first ZZ propagation, by the way, in water. The other ones are soil propagated, and those are my ravens. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to share it, because look how you can increase your own plant lot without having to go out and spend a bunch of money. This plant was a few just single leaf propagations, and this is a 4-inch pot. Okay, imagine how it's gonna look with this in here now. This is what this is gonna look like when these are in here. Look how beautiful this is, guys. So thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, join my little cookie family, because we're pretty awesome here, and let's get growing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.